myself Dr. Anjali, Assistant Professor, Department of Physiotherapy, RPIIMS. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. Everyone, today we will discuss about the inflammation. Inflammation is the local response of living mammalian tissue to injury from an agent which could be microbial, immunological, chemical or physical agent. It is two types, acute inflammation and the chronic inflammation. It is due to the early response by the body and acute inflammation is the short duration. Chronic inflammation occurs after the delay and it is for the longer duration, characterized by the response by chronic inflammatory cells. Now the features of acute and the chronic inflammation feature include onset, cellular infiltrate, tissue injury, local and the systemic signs. In acute, the onset is fast, maybe minute to up to hours, but in chronic, the onset is slow and which can take lead up to days. Trigger stimuli for the acute inflammation is the infection in which the bacteria, virus, fungi, parasites are include. Trauma, blunt or penetrating trauma. The examples include burns, frostbite, irradiation, environmental, chemical. Then the tissue necrosis. Example of things that trigger necrosis are ischemia from a heart attack and physical or chemical injuries. Foreign bodies include splinters, sutures and the dirt. Cardinal signs of acute inflammation has 5 cardinal signs. Rubor in the color is heat, increased blood flow to the inflamed area, swelling, accumulation of fluid, pain, release of chemicals which stimulate nerve endings, loss of function is the combination of factors. The events, 2 main events of acute inflammation are vascular event and the cellular event. Vascular event include firstly the initial transient vasoconstriction of arterioles leads to persistent progressive vasodilation, elevation of local hydrostatic pressure, increase in vascular permeability, transduction of fluid into extracellular space, slowing or stasis of microcirculation, and last is the leukocyte margination. The causes include the endothelial cell contraction, intracellular gaps in post-capillary venules, endothelial injury which is direct or the leukocyte induced, increased transcytosis of fluid, leakage from new blood vessels. Direct endothelial injury include immediate sustained response occurs immediately and lasts until vessel repair. Result of severe injuries or infection result in vascular leakage by causing endothelial cell. Leukocyte dependent endothelial injury may be damaged as consequence of leukocyte accumulation along the vessel wall, which activate leukocyte release.